Alright, today's the day. I'm gonna start this crappy engine up, but we gotta add a bit of oil in there first, so, and hope that we don't have any leaks, cause that would suck. Oh, I can't even get a funnel in there. It's gonna be fun. It makes it a little better. Alright, well, I guess we're a little out of funnel. Alright, got it all filled up with oil. Probably a little bit too much, but well. Just gonna wait a few minutes or see if anything leaks out. So, get back to you after that few minutes is up. Alright. Yeah, this might blow up. Oh no. We also ran out of fuel. Sounds like it got worse. Wait. Upgrade. Alright, so as you most likely heard, it was still knocking. So we had the tractor pull special up here, but it was most definitely still knocking, but it sounded like it was from the side of the motor, which is there's still gas in the filter, which is where I was inside of, but I think could actually be the flywheel impacting something. But I don't know if I really care enough to take this motor apart again, so I might just pop this off. And if that's not it, I think I'm just going to declare it blown up, and we'll send it off somehow fun, I guess. So I'm going to try to pop this off. Like that sound. Let's pull the spark plug off. Oh, that doesn't look good. Honestly, smells like ran way too much fuel. Ew. Way too much fuel. Yeah, I don't know what that click is, but that ain't good. Bunch of scratches on the cylinder walls. Anything loose or something? Oh man, this motor might just be done. Might just be popped. That's almost that top dead center on this compression stroke. It clicks. That's obviously the knocking sound, and that's rod knock. So Um, yeah, that's not good. Well, I guess we're just going to say this motor's popped, and we're just going to find a way to send it off real cool. So, stay tuned for that.